What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today my friend is going to be showing you how to do a basic aerial and how to drift, like how to spin while doing an aerial. It's going to be really cool. He's also going to be showing you something called feathering. I don't know what that is, but it's probably going to be good.
Yes.
Okay.
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 Okay. I'm gonna teach you guys how to drift on keyboard and mouse. All of this will be on keyboard and mouse. So basically, um, you either go left or right, and you hold Shift, and you go like that. So if you gain some speed, and then you can drift to turn the other way, like that. Okay.
That's pretty
So
cool.
that's easy.
That's good drifting. I'm not good at that drifting.
Oh my gosh, am I seriously gonna get a goal? No, 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 no. No, 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 no!
It went from one hit all the way around it went.
Look how slow that is, literally. Okay, enough of that.
Well, what the? How did you do that?
Okay, I know that's an insane shot anyways.
Yeah.
Aerials. This is a good way to waste your boost, but well, it's not wasting. Here, well, this is how to aerial. So basically you jump and lean back to go up, and while you're doing that boost, like that. Oh, sorry guys, I gotta go. 1 second, I'll be right back.
Okay. So while he's in an intermission, let me go. Intermission. Okay, let me show you what he was showing you. I'm not that good at it, so he's gonna come back and teach it again. But like what he's basically doing is this, and then he's like kind of like doing like this. Well, I'm not that good, guys, so that's why I keep messing up. Like,
Okay, I'm back.
okay, you're back. Okay, I'll go back into spectate mode.
Yes, I'm very bad.
And there you go.
Okay. You spectating me?
Yep, I'm spectating.
Alright. So, what did you teach them? How to aerial?
No, I didn't. I just showed them how bad I was at the.
Oh, okay. Well, aerials, yes. Basically just jump, lean back, boost. And then you can aim this way to go that way, aim that way to go that way. It's pretty simple.
It's
Uh,
not. It's like pretty good at like going fast. That's what they're good for, like covering ground. But there's better ways to cover ground. But it's for mostly hitting the ball in the air.
okay. Now if you don't want to waste like 50 boost on just doing this one simple move and maybe missing, you can feather, which is you just basically do this. See how it's like the same, but I'm not wasting as much boost. So like, instead of just
Ah.
continuously holding down boost,
Yeah, because you're gonna go into supersonic mode while in the air.
yes, and you just go like this. You can like kind of control your boost.
Yeah. Also, guys, we put infinite boost because we're doing like a private match. That's why, so we don't have to keep collecting boost every time we use it all.
Yep. Okay, and now air rolling. Now what I just taught you earlier, which is drifting. Okay, so drifting, and with the feathering aerial or just the standard aerial, would be fine with this. If you combine that, like those two together, you'll get this. It's like, this could be helpful in many ways, because I use this in every match. So, say I wanted to get to that wall, but it's difficult because if I just aerial, now I'm facing this way, so I'm going to be going up. So I don't want to be going up because I want to go over there. Alright, so you can go like this. Oh, fudge.
Yeah.
No, don't. You're not going like that.
Yeah. Don't do that.
You go, like this, like that, and now you're faced that way.
Wait, who
It,
joined?
who is this, bro?
What the? How did they even join us?
Are you kidding me?
Could we kick them?
No.
Oh, come on.
No.
Well, hopefully he
Okay.
doesn't try scoring. Has this turned
That
into a
is,
1v1?
I missed.
We just
No, no, no,
moved.
no, 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 no.
This
Okay,
random
well,
person just joins and starts wrecking.
alright, well, we teach you how to aerial, drift, aerial, and feather today. So that's good.
So yeah, so I guess next video we'll show them how to do, is it called air rolling?
I teach them how to aerial. Like this. You basically just shift in the air.
Yeah, you hold shift in the air and then hold the direction you want to move while
Yeah.
boosting, while doing an aerial.
Yep.
Shane, is that all? Should I end the video for now?
Yeah.
Okay,
That's what we're gonna teach them.
yeah, so guys, thanks so much. My computer froze.
Oof. Right
Okay,
there.
okay, I'm back. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Subscribe, leave a like, turn on post notifications, join our Discord. We finally made it to 100 members.
Let's go.
Um, and thanks for watching. And also, leave a comment on if there's any other tutorial you want on Rocket League. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.